Assalamu alaikum grade 5. How are you all, my dear students? Today inshallah we will start lesson C, angles properties. We will explain this lesson in two videos. So today part 1 and Sunday inshallah part 2. What we are going to learn today, we are going to learn that the angles around any point equal 360, and we want to use this fact to find the missing angles around a point. Before we start, just let's remember the types of angles. The first one 90, so this is what? Good, it's right angle. The second one small, so this is what? Acute angle. Excellent. Now the third one, this is obtuse angle. Good. And the last one, this is 3/4 turn, it's what? Reflex angle. Good. Talking about angles on a straight line. We know that the angle on a straight line, this is a straight angle, and the measures of the straight angle is 180. Good. So this is also a straight angle and it's 180. Now what if I divide this angle into two equal angles? So 180 divide 2, this is 90. Excellent. So two right angles inside a straight angle. Now what if I divide it into four equal angles here? 180 divide 4, this is 45. So the straight angle, we can divide it into many angles, and one of these angles will be missing. We will use the fact that the straight angle equal 180 to find the missing angles. Let's start practice. Okay, this is the first example. We have here this straight angle. We divide it into two angles. One is 120 and the other one we don't know it. And what we have to do here, we have to calculate the missing angle. So we are going to use the fact that straight angle equal 180. So the missing angle, it's 180 minus 120 equals 60 degrees. Okay, grade 5, we name this angle supplementary angles. And what we mean by supplementary angles, two angles make together a straight angle. Or in another word, two angles, if you add it together, give you 180, which is a straight angle. Like here, we have 110 and 70. 110 plus 70, 180. So these two angles are supplementary angles. Now, one more example. Again, we have straight line, straight angle. We divide it into two angles. One is 128 and you have to find the measure of A. So what you are doing here, excellent, we will minus 180 minus 128 equal 52 degrees. So here A equal 52 degrees. This is another example. We can see straight line, straight angle, but we divide it into four angles. One is 45. one is 39, one B missing, we don't know it, and one is 24. How we will find B? We know that 45 plus 39 plus B plus 24 equal 180. So to find B, first you have to add these angles 45, 39, 24. Equal what? Excellent. This is equal 108. Then angle B equal 180 minus 108, and this is give us 72 degree. So angle B equals 72 degree. Okay, one more example. You can see here this straight angle, and we divide it into into three angles, A, B, and C. Now we know that A plus B plus C equal 180 because this is a straight angle. Okay, B, it's right angle, so what is the measure of B? Excellent, it's 90 degree. And we know that C equal 80. So now you have to think, how can we find A? Excellent. First we add 90 plus 80 equal what? Good, equal 170. Then we say 180 minus 170 equal 10. So angle A equal 10 degree. Good. Now this is your turn. Pause the video, bring paper, and try to find the missing angles. Here they name it X, and after that check your answer. Now let's talk about labeling angles. What we mean by labeling angles? We can see here this angle. It's 70 degree. We want to name the lines. First line it's AB and the second line BC. What I want you to know, grade 5, I want you to know that I can say that this angle it's angle ABC, or I can say this is angle B. Same. But when I say this is angle ABC, the letters A and C here indicate the two lines, and the letter in the middle, B, this is indicate the point or the vertex or the angle, the corner we are talking about it. So it's okay, you can say this is A, B, C, or you can say this is angle B. Now let's talk about angles at a point, or angles full turn angle. We know that the measure of this angle is 360. Okay, here we can see more examples about angles at a point. The first one, this is 90 and 270. If you add 90 plus 270 give you 360, and this is a full angle, or we say this is angle at a point. 210 and 150, add it, this give you 360. 100 and 260 equal 360, and this is a full turn also. The last example, 45 angle and 45 degree and 315 degree. When you add it, this is 360. So now we want to use this fact to find the missing angles. Okay, let's start with the first example. Here we see this angles. We have a full angle which is 360, and we divide it into three angles. One is 170 and one is 150. The third one we don't know it. So what we have to do here to find the missing angle, like we did in the straight angle, we will do here same. First you have to add 170 plus 150. This is equal 0 plus 0, 0, 7 plus 5, 12, and 1 plus 1, 2, and plus 1, 3. So this is 320. Now we say 360 minus 320 equal 40. So the missing angle here is 40 degree. One more example. Here we have this angle and we divide it into four angles, A, B, C, and D. Okay, now we know that the sum of all these angles equal, excellent, equal 360. Now if I tell you that the measures of B is 120, of C 100, of D 60, so find find A. First you have to add 120 plus 100 plus 60 equal 280. Good. And now to find A, we say 360 minus 280 equal 80 degrees. More examples, and now this is your turn. The first example, we have this line, and this is a straight angle. Excellent. We divide it into three angles, A, A, A. So this is mean what? Excellent. This is mean that the three angles are equal. So 180, we want to share it equally among three, A, A, A. So 180 sharing equally means what? Excellent, means divide. So 180 divided 3 equal 60. Excellent. So here the first one we solve it. Now look at the second one, angles around a point, okay, which is 360. We divide it into four angles. One is 150 and the others B, B, B. So here these angles same, are equal again. So how we will solve that? We can say 360 minus 150 equal what? Excellent, equal 210. And to find B, we say 210 divide 3 equal 70. So B here equal 70 degree. Again, this is your time and your turn. You have to practice. Try to find the value of x, then check your answer.